Is your heat exchanger consuming more steam but still not giving the required temperature? It may be telling you it's time for cleaning. Here are 5 warning signs. Number 1. Reduced heat transfer. If the outlet temperature is not reaching the desired value, the heat exchanger may not be transferring heat efficiently due to fouling. Number 2. High pressure drop. As deposit accumulates inside the tubes or plates, the flow passage becomes restricted. This results in a higher pressure drop across the heat exchanger. Number 3. Increased steam or utility consumption. If more steam, cooling water or other utilities are required to achieve the same process temperature, fouling may be reducing heat transfer efficiency. Number 4. Reduced production efficiency. Poor heat transfer can affect reaction rates, product quality and production capacity, leading to lower overall plant performance. Number 5. Visual fouling during inspection. During shutdown or maintenance, you may find scale, sludge, rust or other deposits inside the heat exchanger. This is a clear indication that cleaning is required. Best practice. Monitor inlet and outlet temperature regularly, record pressure drop trends, schedule preventive cleaning, use proper water treatment and filtration. Easy way to remember: heat transfer reduced, pressure drop increased, utility consumption increased, production efficiency reduced, fouling visible. Conclusion: cleaning a heat exchanger at the right time improves heat transfer, reduced energy cost, increased equipment life and helps maintain a stable plant operation. Follow Industrial Operation Academy for practical knowledge on chemical plant operation, maintenance, instrumentation and industrial safety.